Welcome to Cole's World of Mathematics, where math is made simple and clear.
We're going to be taking a look at the greatest integer function of 2x. So I do have the graph already done here. I've got an xy table, and here's our function. Main point here is, though, I want to take a look at how you're going to do this on the graphing calculator, and then what it's going to look like in that graphing calculator window versus what it actually looks like when you draw it by hand. So yes, you can do the greatest integer function on the TI-84. You're going to go into that y equals, and then you need to find the int function, which is under math, and then you're going to arrow to the right, and as you can see in that menu, it is the fifth thing going down. So I'm going to hit 5. You can also arrow down and hit enter. All right, and then I'm doing the greatest integer function of 2x, so we're going to put a 2 and an x in there, close those parentheses. Now, if I just hit zoom, zooms to 6 for zoom standard or graph, either one, zoom 6, it's going to do, a standard -10 by 10 viewing window. And you get the idea here. I mean, you've got the horizontal lines going up at an angle, but what you cannot see real close here is the open and closed dots, and it makes it really hard to see that at 1/2 you have a value of 1. So let's go in and change that viewing window. Let's go from -3 to +3, again counting by ones, and then let's change the y min to a -3 also, and the y max to a 3. Now let's go look at it. All right, spreads it out a little bit here. You can clearly see here's 1, here's 1. So for a 1/2 1, so if I go over 1/2 and then 1, there's going to be that point there. Over 1/2, up 1, there's our solid dot. All right, so just a big difference here. Your graphing calculator is not going to show those solid dots and open dots, but we know the general graph of the greatest integer function looks like this, and then how you know how long or how I should say how wide the graph is, just create your absolute your XY table, plug the values in. These points in this XY table will give you the solid points of your greatest integer function. All right, so just a nice little comparison there. Your calculator does do it with some limitations, and then being able to graph it by hand and understanding what that greatest integer function really is and what it does is a pretty simple thing once you have a grasp on it. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.